Hello everyone, welcome to Survey Payout. And today's video, I'm going to introduce you to an application that has been for some time now. And this application pays you for posting on your social media accounts, such as your TikTok account and your Instagram account. So for now, these are the two accounts, two social media handles that you can post about products that you love and then you get paid. Okay, so this application is called SocialTip. You post and then you earn. Okay, so there are a few things we need to understand about social tips. If you are familiar with this particular company, you understand that you can be able to earn £10. If you are in the United Kingdom, you'll be able to earn £10 in a week just for posting one video or a picture of a particular company or brand that you love. So imagine that you can post about three different brands which you love. You'll be able to cash out 25, 30 pounds in a week. Okay, so you just need to get one post in a week. But do not worry if you are new to this channel and if this is your first time uh, knowing SocialTip. I'm going to walk you through the processes, how you get registered on the product SocialTip, and how you can be able to maximize your earnings. All right, so you need to be 18 before you can participate in this SocialTip. Okay, and a few things you need to understand is this has 4.7 star ratings and reviews, which means this is authentic. Okay, so for this update, you do not need a paper account. You just need to have your UK bank account. If you are in the United States, you need to have a United States bank account as well, or in Australia. Okay, so a few things you need to understand from this application is that you get paid, to post about brands you love, and you get paid into your wallet. Okay, you get paid into your wallet, and the minimum withdrawal is £2. The minimum withdrawal is £2. So these are a few brands that you can post about. B&B, we have the Waitrose, you have Social Tips, you have our trips and my protein. Okay, so if you are not in the United Kingdom, or you are not in the United States, or you're not in Australia, you can be able to access this site and download the application from the Play Store or from your App Store using a proxy, either USA, UK, or Australia proxy. Okay, and participate in this update. Now, I already have this account on my phone, and I'm going to register with a new account so that you can see the dashboard interface on how it looks. And I'm just going to click on open, how it looks and what you need to do. So as you see, you get paid to post on social media. Okay, so now these are the three countries: Australia, United Kingdom, and the United States. So as you can see, I'm already in the United Kingdom. So what next to do for me to do here is to click on start earning. Okay, so these are the steps that you need to get on this app. So you click on start earning, and you have a promise here that your first cash reward is 30 seconds away. So this is so promising. Okay, next thing you have to do is to click on continue with Google. Now I'm going to pause this video and click on continue with Google. But if you click on continue with Google, it's going to display to you um, your Google account, and you need to select one of your Google accounts and it will take you to the next page. All right, so I've clicked on one of my email accounts, and it's going to take me to, I'm going to land in the dashboard of SocialTip. Okay, so for those who have been following me from the beginning, those who have been working with me on my WhatsApp group, they understand that I drop updates that are beneficial to the community. Okay, they understand that I drop updates that are beneficial to the community. And as well, you can, if you are new to my channel, you can join my WhatsApp community using the WhatsApp link in the description of my YouTube channel. And for you to get more updates on paying sites and companies, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell. This will help you to get notification whenever I post updates. And remember that those who are on my group, they are also having an advantage in such a way that they receive a first-hand update and prepare for it to drop on the YouTube channel. All right, so thank you as you subscribe to my channel, and for returning subscribers, I'm grateful for you sharing this update that I share, and also my um, YouTube channel. Okay, so now this is the interface of social tips. Okay, so while you are here, this is what you earn. This will be your first earning. So you need to earn your first £1 now. Now, once you add a social account, you'll be given successfully, then you'll be given £1. Okay, so this is how you can do. You can add an account. So what you do is you click on add social account, and I'm not going to attempt this because I already have my account running. Okay, so what you can do is listen to what I will say. Now for this, okay, so for an Instagram account, you have to click on add. And one thing I love about SocialTip is they give instructions. So if you're able to read the instructions, then you'll be able to link and bind your social media accounts with SocialTip without a third party. Okay, so just have to click on add. Now these are the instructions. Now you need to follow us on follow us at We Are SocialTip on Instagram. So what you need to do is that you need to follow SocialTip, and after you follow SocialTip, this is what you have to do first. You have to click on continue. Okay, so remember that once you click on continue, you need to follow at We Are SocialTip. So after you follow, you need to click on, you need to write this message, this prompt: hello, as rated as a direct message to We Are SocialTip on Instagram, and they are going to send you a link and with an instruction. So when you tap on the link, they will send you that they will send you as a direct message. You'll be able to bind your Instagram. That is just simple, and then you earn your £1. Remember that you have £2 minimum withdrawal. So when you're able to get this £1, okay, what you have to do again is After you've had this £1, you need to go to post. Okay, so you need to go to post, and then once you're on post here, because I've not linked my account, it's going to take me to same page. Okay, but I mean, being that I have linked my account, once I click on add new post, then the Instagram that I linked will just appear with instructions that I'm going to follow to post the advert on my Instagram account. So these are the brands where you can post about. The most simplest and friendly, user friendly brand is called SocialTip. So you can just search here. You can just come here and search for SocialTip. Okay, so here is SocialTip. This is just one of the easiest and user friendly um, company that you can work with and get paid. Now these are a few things you need to understand. I'm just going to highlight them. So here you need to post your original content. Images are great, videos are even better. Show yourself using the product. Sometimes if you don't have if you're not shopping directly, you can as well promote their products. Okay, so before you start this update, you need to understand that you need to have your account ready. And on my WhatsApp group, I'm just going to drop a few pictures about social tip and how they'll be able to use them. Okay, so but notwithstanding, you need to go once you're on social tip on Instagram, you'll be able to get you'll be able to get all necessary pictures about social tip that you need to post and instructions. Sometimes you find other person's post and how they done their post. Okay, so now the promising thing that we have here is that the maximum post in a week is 10 is one post. So you have to post one post in a week, and for social tip, and which is rewarding, £10. Okay, so there is no receipt required. Okay, no receipt is required for social tip, but for other brands you will find that you need to submit a receipt. So this is one thing that you will do whenever you post on your Instagram or your TikTok. You need to you need to write this on the post. You need to tag social tip at we as social tip. Okay, you need to tag them. This is how you can be able to earn. You need to tag them. It does not matter if you have 100 or 1,000 followers on their social media handle. So far you are doing what is right, and you are doing it where you get paid. Okay, so if we are to look for a site, another company like BNB. Okay, let's just check around. So let me select one of these. There are a lot of brands. Okay, and with time I'm going to introduce to my group on how they can be able to submit their receipt. They'll be able to submit their receipt. Okay, so this post require you to get a receipt. If you are to post about health, you need to have a receipt. Okay, and you can post up to two in a week, and each post is rewarded £5. Okay, so but for you to get a receipt, that is not a difficult thing. You can join my WhatsApp group. I'm just going to and subscribe to this channel. I'm just going to brief them out to be able to get receipt while they do this thing. Okay, so now one new thing about social tip is that you can earn. This is the place where on your profile where you can see your total rewards, your average rewards, and your post reward, your brand posted. Okay, and if you click on these settings, one thing that is added is that you'll be able to earn £5 by by just referring a friend or a family member who successfully um activate or have a successful post on social tip. So yeah, if you have a referral code, you can just come to add referral code and put in the referral code here. So in the comment section, I may drop my referral code, or I may not drop my referral code. I will share it with a few persons on my WhatsApp group. Okay, so these are the things you need to understand about social tips, and I would love you to not waste time on this update. Just get started and start making money on social tip. See you in the next video, and thanks for always watching my videos if you are a returning subscriber, and thanks for watching my video. If this is your first time coming across my channel, do well to subscribe, and the next video will be uploaded and you'll be among the first that will get notification or notified rather. All right, so jump on this update. I wish you good luck and follow the instructions. You cash out. Do well to have your bank account ready. Do well to join the community, and do well to earn money.